In this video, I'm going to show you the slope of a vertical line. We know that the slope of a vertical line is undefined, but the question is, why is it undefined? I'm going to show you in a bit. Now, let us take a look at the graph here. This is the graph of a vertical line, as you can see here. Now, let us take 2 points, any 2 points on this graph. I can take these 2 points here. If you look at this point here, when x is 4, my y is 1 at this point here, right? Tracing it over to the y-axis. Now let us take the next point. You can decide to take any 2 points. I'm just taking mine at this point. Now here as well, my x is 4 and my y is 3. You can take any point on the line. It doesn't really matter. So we know that the slope of a line, of any line, is change in y over change in x, right? So if that is the case, let me plug in these values here. I know that this is my x1, x1, and this is my y1, and also this is still x1, or I can call it x2. It doesn't really matter. So the value of x1 is still the same as x2. My y2 is 3 here. So let me plug in those values here. So I have y2 minus y1, and that is 3 minus y1, which is 1, over x2. x2 is 4 minus x1. x1 is also 4. And at the end of the day, when I simplify, this is 3 minus 1. That gives me 2, and 4 minus 4, that's 0. So mathematically, whenever you're dividing any number by 0, in this case, we say that the result is undefined. Therefore, the slope of a vertical line is undefined. A quick one on the slope of a horizontal line. Now, the horizontal line is that line that is parallel to the x-axis, as you can see here. In like manner, let us take any 2 points on this horizontal line. I can decide to take this point here and also this point here. And at this point, when x is 5, the value of my y is 3. That is, y1 is 3. And also when x is 15, my y is also 3. Yeah. So the slope formula, the slope of a line is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if that is the case, what is my y2? My y2 is 3, as you can see here. This is y2, this is x2, of course this is y1, and this is x1. What you would realize is that the value of y doesn't change. x1 is 3, y1 is 3, y2 is 3. That tells us that the value of y doesn't change despite the change in the value of x, from x1 equals 5 to x2 equals 15. So that tells us here that the change in y is 0. That is 3 minus 3. This is going to give us 0. And of course, change in x, x2 is 15 and my x1 is 5. So at the end of the day, I'm going to get 0 here as my numerator, and my denominator, I'm going to have 10. So 0 divided by 10, this is going to give me 0. So the slope of a horizontal line, slope of a horizontal line is 0. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has been helpful, please, I would like you to like, subscribe, and also share. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.